Welcome to a journey of entrepreneurship where we transform your idea into income. Today, we embark on a thrilling voyage of discovering the ins and outs of starting a successful side business. It's a world where your passion meets profit, where your hobby becomes your hustle. A side business is more than just an extra income source. It's a path to financial independence, a way to diversify your income streams, and a platform to explore your entrepreneurial spirit. Whether you're a 9-to-5er looking to supplement your income, a homemaker seeking to monetize your skills, or a retiree aspiring to turn your lifetime experience into a revenue stream, a side business can be the golden ticket to your dreams. It's a journey that requires grit, creativity, and resilience, but the rewards are beyond measure. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your financial independence? A great side business starts with a great idea. But how do you find this idea? The answer is closer than you might think. It's intertwined with your interests, your skills, and the needs of the market you're aiming to serve. Let's delve further into this. Firstly, consider your personal interests. What are the things that truly excite you? What are you passionate about? Maybe it's photography, fitness, or baking. These interests could be the seeds of a potential business idea. When starting a side business, it's crucial that you choose something you love. After all, you'll be investing a lot of time and energy into it. Secondly, take a look at your skills. What are you good at? Maybe you've got a knack for writing, coding, or gardening. These skills could be a goldmine for business ideas. For instance, if you're good at writing, you could start a content creation agency. If coding is your thing, you could develop apps or websites. If you have a green thumb, consider starting a gardening service. Finally, consider the needs of the market. What are the problems that need solving? What are the gaps that need filling? These could be the foundation of a profitable business idea. For instance, if you notice that people in your community are struggling to find healthy, affordable meals, you could start a meal prep service. But remember, while personal interests, skills, and market needs are important, they're not the only factors to consider. You also need to think about the feasibility of your idea. Will it be profitable? Is it sustainable? These are questions that need answering. In the end, the best business ideas often come from solving a problem you yourself have experienced. So, look around. Listen to your own needs and frustrations. They could be the springboard for your next great business venture. Remember, the best business ideas often come from solving a problem you yourself have experienced. Now that you have your idea, it's time to understand your market. Imagine setting sail without a compass. That's what starting a business without market research is like. Market research is the compass that helps you navigate the sea of business. It equips you with the knowledge you need to make sound decisions about your product or service, pricing, promotion, and distribution. So, how do you go about it? Well, the first step is to identify your target customers. These are the people most likely to buy your product or service. You need to understand their needs, preferences, and purchasing habits. Dive deep into their demographics, psychographics, and behavioral characteristics. This will help you tailor your offering to meet their needs. Next, you need to understand your competition. Who are they? What are they offering? How are they offering it? What are their strengths and weaknesses? By understanding your competition, you can identify gaps in the market that your business can fill. You can also learn from their successes and avoid their mistakes. Finally, you need to determine market demand. Is there a market for your product or service? How big is it? Is it growing or shrinking? Understanding market demand will help you assess the viability of your business idea. It will also help you determine how much of the market you can realistically capture. Remember, market research isn't a one-off activity. It's an ongoing process. The market is constantly changing, and you need to stay on top of these changes to stay competitive. So grab your compass and start exploring. Understand your customers, your competition, and your market. This will help you steer your business in the right direction. With a clear understanding of your market, you can tailor your business to meet the needs of your customers. A solid business model and plan are the foundation of your side business. Just as a house won't stand without a sturdy foundation, a business cannot thrive without a solid business model and plan. These are the blueprints that will guide you as you navigate the complex world of entrepreneurship. Let's start with the business model. This is essentially your strategy for how your business will generate revenue. It describes what you're selling, who you're selling to, and how you're going to make a profit. It's the core of your business, the engine that drives your enterprise forward. There are various types of business models, each with its own unique advantages. You might opt for a subscription model where customers pay a recurring fee for your product or service. Alternatively, you might choose an e-commerce model, selling goods directly to consumers via the internet. Or perhaps you're more inclined towards a freemium model, offering basic services for free while charging for premium features. The key is to choose a model that aligns with your product or service and your target market. Now let's move on to the business plan. This is a formal written document that outlines your business goals, the strategies you will employ to achieve these goals, your target market, your financial projections, and more. In essence, it's a roadmap for your business, providing direction and helping you stay on track. A well-crafted business plan should include an executive summary, a company description, a market analysis, an organization and management section, a service or product line description, marketing and sales strategies, and financial projections. Let's break these down. The executive summary is a brief overview of your business. It should be concise yet compelling, enticing potential investors to read further. The company description provides detailed information about your business, including the problems your product or service solves. The market analysis demonstrates your knowledge of the industry and your target market. It shows that you understand your competition and how you plan to differentiate your business. The organization and management section outlines your business's organizational structure and the qualifications of your team. The service or product line section describes what you're selling and how it benefits your customers. The marketing and sales strategies section explains how you plan to attract and retain customers. And finally, the financial projections section provides a forecast of your business's financial future, including projected income, expenses, and profitability. Remember, your business plan is a living document. It should evolve as your business grows and changes. Don't be afraid to revise and refine it as necessary. In conclusion, a solid business model and plan are crucial for any business. They provide a clear direction and can help you avoid potential pitfalls. They're the roadmap to your business's success and the blueprint for your entrepreneurial journey. A well-structured business plan can guide your business towards success. Before you launch, you must understand the legal and financial aspects of running a business. We'll kick off by diving into the basics of business law, a crucial element in setting up any venture. First and foremost, registering your business is a pivotal step. In most places, you'll choose from legal structures like sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or a corporation. Each comes with its own pros and cons, affecting your personal liability, tax implications, and the potential for growth and expansion. Next up, we have taxes. Taxes, the inevitable sidekick of business operations. You'll need to understand your tax obligations based on your business structure and location. This could include income tax, sales tax, payroll tax, and more. It's often recommended to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're meeting all obligations and taking advantage of any possible deductions. Then we have contracts. These are the bedrock of business relationships, whether with co-founders, employees, suppliers, or customers. A well-drafted contract can protect your interests and prevent potential disputes. It's wise to seek legal advice to ensure your contracts are robust and comprehensive. Now let's shift gears and talk finances. Starting a business comes with its fair share of costs. You'll need to budget for setup costs, such as equipment and initial inventory, ongoing expenses like rent and salaries, and unexpected costs that are bound to arise. A detailed budget can help you stay on track and avoid unexpected financial hurdles. Funding your business is another key consideration. Your options might include bootstrapping, where you fund the business from personal savings or reinvesting profits, or external funding, which could involve bank loans, angel investors, or crowdfunding. Each funding option has its own set of advantages and challenges, so it's essential to choose what aligns best with your business goals and risk tolerance. It's also worth noting that financial management doesn't end once you've secured funding. You'll need to keep a close eye on your cash flow, ensuring that the money coming into the business is always more than or equal to the money going out. Regular financial audits can help you spot trends, identify areas of concern, and make informed decisions about your business's future. In summary, understanding the legalities and finances of your business is not just about ticking boxes, it's about safeguarding your business, planning for the future, and laying the groundwork for success. It might seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and resources, it's a challenge you can confidently tackle. Being proactive about legal and financial matters can save you from headaches down the road. Remember, a successful business isn't just about a great idea or a fantastic product. It's about building solid foundations, and that includes taking care of the legalities and finances. Your brand is the face of your business. It's what sets you apart from the competition. Imagine walking into a bustling marketplace filled with stalls selling similar products. What makes you choose one over another? It's the brand. The brand is the personality of your business, the story you tell, and the promise you make to your customers. It's the difference between being just another stall in the marketplace and being the one that people seek out. Let's start with the basics. Your logo and business name. These are the first things people will see, so they need to be memorable and representative of your business. When designing your logo, think about what you want it to say about your business. Should it be sleek and modern, or maybe rustic and artisanal? Your business name should also reflect your brand. It should be unique, easy to remember, and give some indication of what you do. Next, we have your mission statement. This is your chance to communicate the purpose and values of your business. It's not just about what you do, but why you do it. Your mission statement should inspire your customers and make them feel like they're part of something bigger when they choose your business. Remember to keep it concise, clear, and compelling. Now let's talk about your unique selling proposition, or USP. This is what sets your business apart from the competition. It could be anything from superior quality or innovative design to exceptional customer service or sustainability. Your USP should be something that your competitors can't easily replicate and that your customers value. It's your chance to show why your business is the best choice. But remember, your brand isn't just about what you say, it's about what you do. It's about delivering on your promises and consistently providing a great customer experience. It's about building trust and creating loyal customers who not only choose your business over the competition, but also recommend it to others. And finally, don't forget to protect your brand. Register your business name and logo and consider trademarking them to prevent others from using them. Your brand is one of your business's most valuable assets, so it's important to protect it. In conclusion, your brand is more than just a logo or a business name. It's the story you tell and the experience you provide. It's what makes your business unique and memorable. It's what attracts customers and keeps them coming back. It's what sets you apart in that bustling marketplace and makes your business the one that people seek out. A strong brand can attract customers and help your business stand out in a crowded market. It's the foundation of your business, so make sure you give it the time and attention it deserves. Now that you've built your brand, it's time to attract customers. First off, let's delve into the realm of marketing strategies. A well-planned marketing strategy can be the difference between a side business that thrives and one that merely survives. One of the most popular methods of marketing in this digital age is social media marketing. This involves leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to connect with your audience, build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. This strategy is cost-effective yet highly impactful, allowing you to reach a global audience with the click of a button. Now let's talk about content marketing. This strategy involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience, with the objective of driving profitable customer action. You could create blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics depending on what suits your brand and audience. Remember, the key here is to provide value. Your content should answer questions, solve problems, or entertain your audience, making them more likely to engage with your brand and ultimately make a purchase. Another powerful marketing tool at your disposal is email marketing. It's a direct form of marketing that involves sending promotional messages to a group of people via email. Despite the rise of social media, email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and boost customer loyalty. In fact, for every $1 you spend on email marketing, you can expect an average return of $42. That's a pretty impressive return on investment, wouldn't you say? Moving on from marketing, let's explore some sales techniques. One of the most effective techniques is solution selling. This involves identifying a customer's pain point and then proposing your product or service as the solution. It's all about showing the customer how your offering can make their life better. Another technique is consultative selling, where you act as a consultant and guide the customer towards choosing the best solution. This approach requires a deep understanding of the customer's needs and a genuine desire to help them. Lastly, there's the technique of cross-selling and upselling. Cross-selling involves recommending related products to a customer, while upselling involves persuading a customer to buy a more expensive version of the item they're interested in. Both techniques can significantly increase your average transaction value. Effective marketing and sales strategies can turn prospects into customers. So take the time to develop a robust marketing plan and hone your sales techniques. After all, your side business's success depends on your ability to attract and convert customers. The moment you've been preparing for is finally here. Launching your business. This is the culmination of all your hard work, your planning, your sleepless nights. It's the day your dreams start to become reality. But how do you ensure your launch day is a success? Firstly, you'll need to create a launch plan. This is your roadmap for the big day, detailing every step you'll take to introduce your business to the world. This includes everything from when and where you'll launch to the specifics of your marketing efforts. It's crucial to have this plan in place well before your launch day to ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, it's important to test your product